On this day in 1888, America experienced one of its worst blizzards ever. Miss Porter's school in Farmington, Connecticut after the Great White Hurricane snowstorm of 1888. The Great White Hurricane. Springfield, Massachusetts. Man standing by snow hut, after blizzard of 1888, with U.S. Capitol in background, Washington. Carts take the snow from the city and dump them in the East River, New York. Trolley is pushing through the snow, Washington, D.C. Brooklyn Bridge during the blizzard. Derailed train already half buried in the snow, Harlem Railroad in the state of New York. Store's billboard is brought down by the weight of the snow. New York, Madison at 50th. Snow has covered the windows of this shop in Manhattan. Snow and ice taken from the city is dumped into the East River, New York. Workers dig out the snow from underneath an elevated train line after the blizzard. Corner of Broad and Market Streets, Newark. Employees of T.P. Howell V.E. Company, Newark. Work crew in front of Hotel Pennsylvania in New York City. Grand Opera House under a blanket of snow, Brooklyn. Fourteenth Street, New York City, just after the storm. People struggling on their daily commute, downtown New York. Workers remove snow in Times Square. A woman on a brownstone-lined street sweeps the sidewalk near where two horse-drawn buggies are parked in Brooklyn. Corner of High and Court Streets, Newark. Pedestrians involved in snow removal operations. Brooklyn during the White Hurricane. New Yorkers hiking across the Brooklyn Bridge after being forced to leave their train.